So this is the login page for the Skadoosh website which you start on. I'll just show some of the validation here with the login page. So this isn't a correct email ID, and as you can see here, when you press login, the correct error message comes up. Now if we do the same thing but without the password filled out this time, it says please fill in this field. So I'll just type it in properly now, but I haven't made this account yet, so it's going to say invalid credentials. So I'm going to go over here to register this account. Now I'll just type in the information I want. The email ID, the password and the name. This is all the information you need to set up an account on the website. And once you click register and everything's valid, then it takes you to the home page. Next, let's open up the navigation bar by clicking on the hamburger icon. So if you click the home button here on the navigation bar, it's going to open up the home page, but we're already on it, so it's just going to refresh it. But next down the list we have the contact us button, which opens up the social medias for the platform. We only have one at the moment, which is the Instagram account. But let's go back to the home page and make some posts. So in the top right we have the new post button, the one in green. So if we click that, it takes us to the new post screen. Now here's where you add in your run information, and once you click post, it will then take you back to the home screen with the post added. Now as we haven't added any distances or times, it says unknown distance, unknown time, but we can edit this later by clicking on the edit button here. And now we can add in a different distance as before. We'll just put in distance 10 times 60, and there we have our post, 10 kilometers in 60 minutes. Let's make some more. So I'll just put in some more numbers, 10 kilometers in 50 minutes now. And let's just do one more actually. We'll put in 11.2 kilometers in half an hour. So let's say this is a mistake. The user doesn't want this in their database anymore. They put in the wrong numbers. So you can just go over to the delete button and it instantly just deletes the post from their own database. So next, let's take a look at the analysis button. Once you click analysis on a post, it will compare this run with the runs previous to it. And as you can see here at the top, it works out your average speed, which in this case is 5.5 minutes per kilometer. On the x-axis, you have the dates of the runs you're comparing. And on the y-axis is the minutes or kilometers. So on the key here, you can see distance is covered in blue. Both runs were 10 kilometers, so it's a constant line. And time is in red, so it goes from 60 to 50 minutes. So you can clearly see the improvement by the gradient in the line. Now there's two ways we can exit out of this analysis page. We can click on the Skadoosh icon in the top left hand corner, which brings us back to the home page. Or if we go back into the analysis page again, we can go back into the navigation bar and click the home button, which again takes us back to the home page. Next, let's just log out of this account. And I'm going to log into a different account I have pre-made, set up, simon@gmail.com. Now when I log into here, you can see this different account is different information saved to its database. The runs are completely separate. This guy does 5Ks in 16 minutes. Let's log out again and go back to our old account, which we saved the data to initially. Now coming back to this account, you can see the data we inputted earlier is still all here, saved on this account, which is completely separate to any other accounts that people may have.